What is going on, guys? I am back for another video finally. I apologize for it taking so long. I'm not gonna make any excuses, but I've got a little bit of time, so let's try to knock out some engine bay work. Not a whole lot has happened, but let me show you what's up. So not a whole lot has changed since the first startup. I've got all the mounts actually torqued down, so that's not going anywhere. There is nothing under the Jeep again, and I am kind of at a point where I need to figure out what I want to do next. There's obviously a whole bunch missing from the engine bay. I think the first step is going to be actually wrapping up the engine, so putting the power steering pump on and then the idler so I can put the serpentine belt on. That'll wrap up most of the engine. And then before I get the radiator in, I want to put the steering box in, which kind of goes right here and it's way easier to access. Then after that, I think is radiator, oil and transmission coolers, fans, all that kind of stuff so I can put the header back on. And then we'll start working on the bottom side with suspension, steering, axles, etc., and then do a whole bunch of touching up before it can go back on its wheels. I also need to buy some wheels before it can go back on said wheels. So let's try to get something done. I know what you're thinking. It's probably something along the lines of, that's overkill for 35s. It's my Jeep, so me. I'm glad I tested to see if that would even fit under the hood. So, I mean, the mount doesn't even clear the hood. PSC claims that this kit, SK240, I believe, fits TJs, LJs, and XJs. And I'm imagining there's more clearance on TJs, LJs, but certainly does not fit Cherokees. The pump fits up great. That's fine and dandy. The box fits fantastic. Is connected, feels well built, and is, from what I can tell, super tight. And this is well built, but they sent me the wrong AN line for the feed to the pump. So it's an okay kit, I guess. Would I recommend buying it? I don't know yet. You also have to reuse the stock lines, the stock, I guess, hard to soft line from the pump to the box, and then the box to the reservoir, and then create your own line from the reservoir to the pump. So it seems good. It seems incomplete and could certainly be refined, but I don't know, I'm bummed. Like if I needed to do this in a weekend and needed this to drive on Monday, I'd be certainly more bummed than I am now. But yeah, I think the fix is, well, we'll start over here. The fix is gonna be more spacers under here to drop it. Maybe I've read that you can space the hood up, and that'll help with heat exiting as well. I don't know if I want to go for that look or not, but definitely if I drop this down, and then I've heard that you can take the reservoir, basically trim it down an inch, and then re-weld the threads for the lid back on, and you don't lose that much fluid capacity, and then it'll actually fit, and you can drive, which will be fantastic one day. But that's where it's gonna sit for tonight, I guess. Sorry guys. Up next is gonna be cooling, so I will see you on that one. Bye.